Here I have an American phone number, and let's say I want to match the area code itself. Well, we could look for the specific number if we have that luxury. However, in most cases, we need to specify, look for any digit that is 3 characters long. Well, we can use this right here. \D refers to any digit character 0 through 9. So now I can type \D, \D, and we are, if I turn off global, matching that value. But this seems a little bit like overkill. Is there any way to type it once and then specify, look for 3 occurrences of that? And the answer is yes. We want to use curly braces for that. So if I type the number 3, this is the same effect. Matches 3 occurrences of the preceding token. Match 3 numbers. I'm going to turn back global, and I want you to note that here we matched as well, and here as well. So if we only want the area code, we can specify what we learned in the previous lesson, the caret symbol to say start at the beginning of the string. And now we are matching that. However, I know in some countries, they have 4-digit area codes. So if I were to add that on, we need to match them as well. So why don't we set the second parameter to 4? This second parameter is optional, and you specify it by typing comma and then the maximum. So here we have minimum and maximum. And now we're looking right there, that's matched, and then right here, that's matched. So these symbols can be really helpful, and we have quite a few of them. We have \W, which is going to match any alphanumeric or underscore. So if I were to type hello there, and I were to specify \W, now if I turn off global, we're matching H. If I wanted to match 5 of these characters, I can do it like so. And now we are matching those 5 letters, and now I'm not specifically specifying H, then E, then L. And this is also better than using a period. I want you to use a period as kind of the last situation, when you need to match anything. However, if there is a better symbol for the job, always use that ahead of time, because then you have much more control on what you're matching. So if you're only matching letters, then you have a couple choices. 1, use \W, or use a character class, and we can say A through Z. Now this is a new feature. When we add a dash within a character class, we can specify a range. Look for any lowercase a through Z and any uppercase a through Z as well. And now you can see we have much more control here because we're not going to match any numbers or punctuation or line breaks. Now continuing on, we also have \S, and this will match not just a space, but any white space character, and that's going to include tabs and line breaks. So if we were to type a space, we're going to match the space between hello there. Now while that exists, you might prefer to do \S, and that's going to be the same effect, but it's also going to match, as I noted, the line breaks. So for example, if I wanted to type there, and then a period, and then a line break, and then hi, we are matching that full sequence. And now you can see hello, goodbye, we're updating that. So this is an easy way to specify a space character. I can also do \R, and that refers to a carriage return, and we're going to get the same effect there. So we have \R for a carriage return, we have \N for new lines, \S for space characters, \W for a word character, anything that's alphanumeric, and then we have \D for digits 0 through 9. So I hope you're taking notes and you have a sheet of paper where you're marking each of these. And if you are, really good job, because I know this is difficult to remember. We've learned about 20 symbols so far, so I think that's enough to actually dig in and find some real-world uses of these regular expressions. So in Chapter 2, we're going to dig into some PHP, and I'm going to show you how to run these types of regular expressions in your web applications. So I'll see you in Chapter 2.